Let's talk about getting way better, professional results from AI, especially for big projects like videos.
But you know that feeling, right? So often what you get back is just flat and kind of bland.
Well, there's a name for it, synthetic slop. It's what happens when AI oversimplifies everything.
The secret isn't a new AI, it's a mega prompt. Today, we're breaking one down. So how's it work? This powerful prompt is built on 4 essential pillars. Let's dig in. First up, Pillar 1. You have to give the AI a very specific job and a world to live in.
And this isn't just a suggestion, it's a command that frames the AI's entire output.
So see, it's not just some bot. It's now a creative director scripting a documentary in 2050.
Next, Pillar 2. You ground the AI in cold, hard facts from your source materials.
This forces the AI to be an expert on your topic, not just a random generalist. It gets super specific, demanding details right down to the MERN Stack and 4K video quality.
Okay, Pillar 3. A great prompt doesn't just ask for info, it demands a real story.
You're basically handing the AI the entire skeleton of the story you want it to tell.
And look at this, a full 3-act structure, broken down by timestamp for a 15-minute film.
And finally, Pillar 4. This is where you become the director, calling all the creative shots.
This is how you get total control over the final feel and the aesthetic of the content.
It even orders specific pacing tricks, vocabulary, and a neon minimalist visual style.
So here's the bottom line. You stop making vague requests and start giving a detailed director's brief. By providing this deep structure, you turn a simple tool into a genuine creative partner.
Which leaves you wondering, is this kind of detailed prompt writing the future creative skill?